Everyone makes mistakes, and that applies to relationships too. People often repeat these errors, feeling like they're stuck in a loop, much like a recurring day in a time travel movie. But how does one break free from this cycle? Is there a guidebook for relationships? Indeed there is. Learn from these commonly made relationship mistakes so that you can try your best to save yourself from heartbreak.
Number 1. Being the winner of an argument. Instead of trying to prove yourself right and your partner wrong, focus on understanding each other's perspectives with mutual respect. Try to understand others' point of view as well. This hopefully creates respect for each other in relationship, and you know very well respect is the utmost important thing in a relationship, so to maintain this, try to avoid this common mistake. Number 2. Lack of having fun together. Couples that are happy enjoy being together and have fun. Make sure to plan things that you both enjoy, and most importantly, find time for laughter. And if you are not able to manage your time for your partner, then there is no meaning of being in relationship. So always try to spend some time with your partner enjoying yourself. Number 3. Not paying attention to the small things. No matter how small, make sure to say thank you and show gratitude. Pay attention to the things your partner does and make sure to return the favor. A small gesture such as grabbing them a cup of coffee can go a long way. Number 4. You're ignoring how you feel when you're not with the person. While it's important to notice how you feel when you're spending time with the person you're dating, it's also important to pay attention to how you feel when you're not together. You have to tell the person that you're feeling lonely or how you feel when you are not together. I'm sure it will help you building a better and mature relationship with your partner. Number 5. You're focusing on potential and not the present. It's easy to get distracted by someone's potential and get caught up in thoughts of your future together, but it can cloud your judgment and make you more susceptible to missing red flags. So it is far better for you to focus on present and spend time with your partner and live a happy life together. Number 6. Losing your independence. Don't lose your self-identity in a relationship. Make sure to take some time for yourself once in a while. Spend some time at lunch with your friends or catch an afternoon movie. Losing your independence is like losing your happiness, and it is important to make yourself happy. It will definitely help you spend some quality time with your partner. Think like that. If you are happy from inside, then you are likely to enjoy spending time with your date, and that's it. Number 7. Stalking your partner on social media. While it can be okay to scan through Google to make sure they don't have a flawed history, stalking them on Instagram or Facebook may give you a different perception of who they actually are. And it will affect negatively all the time, and you become suspicious towards your partner without any reason. So it is obvious that you don't have to stalk your partner all the time. So that's all. I hope this will be helpful for you. Try to avoid these mistakes and live a happy and peaceful life.